Question number 52, which is from Theory of Computation or Automata. Given language L, defined Li follows as follows. Li equal to, the equation is given, please note it down. Okay, that is L I to the power I minus 1 into L. The order of language L is defined as the smallest k such that L to the power k equal to L to the power k plus 1. Consider the following language L1. This is a language L1 and they want to know what is the order of L1. Okay, so if you notice the language L1, if you if you calculate this diagram, we will get the language is this. Okay, so this is the language we can get from the diagram. Okay, so now L1, L to the power 1 equal to epsilon into this that value. So we will get the equation from here. Okay, so from equation we will get L1 equal to this. Okay, after that by L2 we will get L1 in L to the power 1 into L1, that is L1 into L1, because we already got L to the power 1 equal to L1, so that is L1 into L1, and we will get this. Okay, so it is this. If we calculate this thing, we will get this, and which is similar to 0 to the 0 star. And L3 again, if we calculate, we will get 0 star. So if you see here, like L3 is also 0 star, L2 is also 0 star, and in the question it is given the what is the value of minimum value, smallest value, for which L to the power k equal to L to the power k plus 1. So like from here we will get that L square equal to L cube, that is L to the power 2 plus 1. So it is satisfying the equation. So for the smallest value of L is, sorry, smallest value of k is 2. Okay, so for this question the answer is 2. Okay, thank you.